You know what I hate? You know what I hate in Yeeps Hide and Seek, the game I'm playing in the background? There are all these kids that build like bases and sky bases and all this shenanigans. And whenever you're strong, they're like, report him, he broke my base. Oh my gosh, I report him. But realistically, the moderators actually encourage you to destroy their bases. So I don't get why they always report me for it. So, yeah, if someone says report you for griefing the sky base or something, say that's false reporting because the moderators actually encourage you to do it. So, you won't get banned for it. Unless it's how the Gorilla Tag banning system works, where if enough people report you, automatically get banned. So, yeah.